Hello guys, Haoson here. I'm currently going to unbox the ASUS Zenfone 4 Max, which the people from ASUS sent to me to review. And this is what the box contains when you purchase one. What we have here is the soft case for the phone. Putting it aside first. Next would be I think yeah, we have the unit itself right here. And then this is what you get inside the box itself. You have the adapter, the plug, and the headset. We'll be starting off with the adapter. And then here's the headsets, which are neatly bundled. Then first, the cable. And then you have the adapter. I think this is the USB adapter. Then of course the earplugs. And before I'm gonna end this unboxing, let's just start up the phone itself. Then so you can see everything that we got out of the box. I'm just putting everything right here. Phone, and then you have the case, and then the cable, and the cable right here. And then of course you have the adapter. Oh, no, sorry, the headset, the adapter, and of course plus the earphones. So guys, there you have it. Just everything that you can get out of the Zenfone 4 Max